If you want a video like this, videos made into cartoons and can make money from YouTube, this video will show you the detailed step-by-step process. This can be done on both your computer and your mobile phone. In this video, it will be done on a computer. There are 5 steps as follows. Step 1. You need to create a story from Chat GPT by visiting chatgpt.com. After that, write the command as follows. Write funny kid story about turtle and crocodile in 400 words. After that, Chat GPT will write the article within seconds. Step 2. Take the article from Chat GPT and turn it into speech using 11 Lab, a free AI tool. You can find this website from Google. When entering the 11 Lab website, you can select your voice from this box. You can try listening before downloading. When you paste the resulting article, press Generate and AI will convert the text into speech within seconds. When you think the sound is okay, press Download and you'll already have the voiceover. Step 3. Go to the web leonardo.ai. Look for the tab on the left, select AI Image Generation, and select the image size in the bar below. If you want to make landscape videos on YouTube, you should choose 16:9, which is the appropriate size for YouTube channels. And another important part is the number of images you want AI to display is in the upper left bar. Don't forget that Leonardo AI will only give you 150 free coins per day. When everything is set up, you come to enter your message in the bar at the top right. That want the letters to be displayed as images next. Select 3D animation style and Leonardo style in this bar. When finished selecting, you can press Generate to create an image. The coins will be displayed in the Generate tab, showing how many coins will be deducted for that image. Here, 1 coin will be deducted. Don't be surprised if you see more than 7,000 coins in this machine, because this AI app is free. But because the creator has to use images every day and all day, and this AI app is quite easy to use and good. So I bought it to make it more convenient to use. After you have downloaded all the images you want, the next step is a step that should not be missed. Step 4. Go to Runway Miel. This app is a free AI that can turn text and images into animated videos. Don't be alarmed, we will show you the steps in detail. Once you have signed up, you can sign up through your Gmail account. After that, press Start with Image or Start with Text. Here we have an image, so we'll press Start with Image, and Start with Text will show you in the next video. Enter this page and click on Image and upload a file that we have already created an image from Leonardo AI. Wait a moment, the system will generate video in just a few seconds, and the coin on your top right will disappear. You can click here to see how much coin credit you have left. When you have the video you want, press Preview to see if you like it or not. If you like it, you can continue downloading. Final step, Step 5. This step involves editing everything on CapCut PC, but you can edit on your mobile phone or tablet as well. Bring English voiceover from 11 Labs, and if you want to make Thai subtitles, you use Clipchamp AI, which is a free AI, put it in first, then use Auto Caption to CapCut the automatic language translation, select English, press Create when you have finished the English caption. Use the image converted to video from Runway Miel. Additionally, select the star effect to make your video stand out even more. After finishing making the video, press Export and add a name to the video and press Export to get the finished video. The resulting video can be uploaded on YouTube.